Hi, this is Javier from Reyes Waterfall Landscaping. We have here a fish pond. It's a concrete gunite. This was built in like May this 2017. It's a nice fish in there now. We have a little waterfall there, spillway, and the equipment is in the over there is a Sacramento koi. We install bricks on the coping. We install pavers around. It's a nice shape. It's probably like 25 by 17. And we have pavers around. It's a nice koi pond. It's concrete and granite, air on the bottom. We have two skimmers, one here and one over there. If you're looking about fish pond, waterfall, koi ponds, waterfall with disappeared water, so just call Reyes Waterfall Landscape, Alcohol City, 619-631-2808. Thank you.